Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can open a paint and draw anything in Windows 11. So guys, it's very simple. You just have to tap on start, then type paint, then open that application. By doing that, you can see that Windows 11 by default paint is opened here, so you can draw anything right over there. For example, I use a pencil to draw any line, or you can write the text as well by using that one, and you can use any brush from here. So guys, that's how you can use the paint and draw anything and do little bit customization for any image. So guys, it's very simple, very easy. That's how you can use a paint in Windows 11. So guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.